Hey, Robert Farrell here. If you click this banner ad and go watch my free video training, I will share with you how thousands of my students have curated in less than 3 months, 2,700 on average, 2,700 Amazon paying customers. And at the end of 3 months, they're already making over $20,000 a month. Now, if you click the banner ad, all I ask you to do is go check out the rest of my step-by-step videos, and I will share with you how to do this. Now, if you think what I'm saying is full of crap, then stop the video right now and go back to what you were doing. I've been in the online training business for 25 years, in the trenches. Do I have all the answers? Oh, hell no. Have I made mistakes? You bet you. So if you're tired of chasing the shiny objects, and the snake oil and the get-rich-quick nonsense, and you want to learn how to earn the right way, then click the banner ad, go watch my videos. I don't need your email address. I'm not going to put you into a waste-of-time webinar. I'm here to help you every step of the way, but I assure you nothing happens if you choose to do nothing. So stay home, stay safe, stay positive. Carpe Diem 2020. Click the banner ad, check out my videos, and share with you how you can earn the right way online with Amazon.